Such a small car. There's fuck all in them, like.
Chaser is fucking big in there.
Yeah, it is.
It's a big, like, this is a metre bigger than a normal spray book.
Really?
A metre longer. Like, when this has been painted, right, this is going to be like right up to here.
Yeah.
Because there's going to be nothing on the front, there's going to be no bonnet on it. So you're thinking about another room.
Yeah. There's room for activities.
Like, I will have this much room.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because, like, say, the car is on a grid there. Like, there's a grid forward to go there.
Yeah.
Like, so the car, like, the quarter panel is going to be here. They're going to have all, like, two doors. You'll have two doors, I understand, here.
Yeah.
Two wings, I understand, here. Whole car is painted.
Yeah. Even just seeing it in here is really exciting. It's such a nice looking spray board.
Yeah.
It's fair cool looking on camera, like. It's great. We just said that's it. We weren't going home till it's fucking it's in here.
What time is it? It's like fucking...
We're not doing too bad, man.
Yeah, we're going good, boy. It's 25 past 12.
Yeah.
It's just fucking grand.
Yeah.
Friday night.
We've been up later doing fucking worse, so. So what now then? Panel wipe it down with solvent.
Solvent it down. And we're going to start masking.
Masking it then on the inside.
Yeah, back mask everything.
Yeah.
And we'll put the bag up over, cut the bag in,
Yeah.
and get some fucking epoxy on it.
Yeah, exciting.
Yeah, huh?
Oh yeah. And you know what's mad? You wouldn't see it on it, even after you blew it, like. It looks spotless.
Clean.
That's scary. So do you pull it out then and then catch it in the tape, is it?
Yeah, pull it out and I'll cut it out around the tape.
Alright, and then just, alright, okay.
The trick is then is fucking have the bag nice and tight.
Yeah. Deadly. Jeez, they're fair handy, man. Fucking hell.
Great job. We have to repeat this, so once the epoxy is on, and like you do your body work, then you're going to have to spray fill it.
Yeah.
So this is going to have to be done again.
Yeah.
We block down, then it's going to be 2-pack primed. That's going to be blocked down.
Yeah.
So like you have to do is one spray filler primer, and then fucking wet and wet 3 times primer, and you have your paint, your respray.
Yeah.
Then it's going to be flattened down and flow cut. So this has to be done 5 more times.
Wow.
I think we'll have it fairly fucking nailed.
It's the shit people don't see, man.
It's the shit people don't want to see.
It isn't, yeah, because what happens in this is people just speed up this section and it's like, look, man, it's finished. And everyone goes, wow.
Chip boost, overhaul.
Yeah. Chip boost overhaul in 48 hours. That's like, this is the real fucking tedious shit. This is why when you go, yeah, man, that's like 6 to 8 grand for that paint job. Like, you know, like people just don't see that shit with any of it. Even with the metal work or just anything, like how tedious and slow stuff is.
Look, there's going to have to be more metal work done because, like, when we put the epoxy on, we're going to see some.
Yeah.
Stuff and, like, you know, that's just the fucking nature of this game, like. It's not like. It's just really not for everybody. Like,
No.
You know, you do have.
And how many years you've been doing this since you're what, 16?
Say, like weekends and any spare evening, and then once I hit 18, it was just.
Yeah. So nearly 20 or
18 years.
18 years you've been doing this, yeah, full time, and then
2 years before, so I could say 20 years. Like,
yeah, man,
over half.
it's mad, isn't it? Half your life doing this. We're getting there, so we are. I don't know. I don't even have my phone on me anymore. Time's it.
5-2, what?
Oh, not too bad.
Oh, man, I thought we'd be later.
Yeah, the masking is very aesthetically pleasing. All that beauty just to wreck it then,
Just
like.
to fucking peel it off for 2 fucking minutes.
Yeah.
I have to do it.
Yeah.
I know it's taking a hell of a lot longer, but
Ah, it's lovely though.
good story.
Gloopy.
Yeah, fuck. Oh, it's fucking hell, man.
Ooh, Jesus Christ.
That's nasty. That is nasty.
And the boys were high as a kite. Look at that for a beautiful mix now. She's lovely. Just to be sure, another panel wipe, just to be safe, and then
Get the primer.
exciting. Just kind of, I don't have much to say really. Just fucking great. 5 years of wanting this part to happen, and then finally. How many years do you have? You were like,
Oh man, you're on the cold up to a year now.
these are
You're
your
actually lasting up, man. In fairness.
these are your good look shoes
Yeah.
for spraying.
LA trainers, boy.
Oh, look at the look how spiky the lace has gone from just fucking layers and layers of paint. Kind of have to be a little bit more professional as we get older. Years ago, you'd be going in by fucking
3M white suits. Fucking on to you.
yeah, mask optional.
Oh, options, big time.
Gotta be safe.
It's crazy, like, because You know, like for years you'd be like, ah, fuck it, sure, like you have a mask on.
It'd be grand.
Then you see how much goes on that.
Oh man. That's just the final rub.
Yeah, so like that's the tack cloth, so like anything is kind of like any little light bit of dust that might have flowed up onto it, it's kind of like sticky a little bit.
Okay. I'm actually speechless. Like, I don't actually really know what to say. Like, I've wanted this to happen for so long. Like, and there he is, like, Jackie, the absolute fucking legend, staying back with me till all hours, just fucking making it happen. Like, both of us have done full days in work, and now we're here just knocking this out till 3 or 4 in the morning. The window's kind of blurry, so. Seeing it all turning the white colour, I was just like, oh fuck.
Fucking brilliant.
Honest to God. Ah, yes, boy. You know what's mad? There's an instant feeling of that's not mine, like, you know what I mean? Because it's like Stockholm syndrome. I've just been so emotionally conditioned to the piece of shit like that it was. That seeing like that colour and T37s and nice shit. It's like I feel like I'm just looking in at you painting someone else that we know as car, like just a bit of colour, like, and I'm just like, oh god. Even just seeing the fucking the arch and the really like. The core. Yeah, all that rust and crust and patchwork and fucking just all covered. I see what you mean though. You know, shit starts to present itself when it's fucking highlighted. Yeah. So you're like, oh, okay. Oh man, just fucking seeing that back core, like, it's just it's just that they made me so happy. I can't stop smiling. It's just so good. What time is it even? Like 3 a.m. 3 a.m. on a Friday, pulling all nighter. Just the quarters, man. Fuck. And the arches. What a result. It doesn't look like an absolute piece of shit anymore. It's starting to look like something. Thanks for having the enthusiasm to do a full day's work in here and then stay around to keep the enthusiasm going me, like.
I have to do another 10 hours.
Yeah.
So like a fucking 18 hour day.
And then yeah, I'm up since 6:30, drive an hour from Waterford to our club, then drive 200k to you
Here.
to go do this and stay here till this hour, and then drive another hour home now. But we do love it in all the misery, like, otherwise we wouldn't be doing it.
I won't be fucking here like at 4:03 in the morning. It's good to see it. See it this far. It's
Fucking
nice to see
deadly.
all that purple gone.
Oh god.
And it's gone now.
It's gone.
Like the inside of the door is the
Yeah,
only
yeah, yeah,
evidence of it.
yeah. And when that's gone in, that's it. I kept the roof and I'll hang it up. Thanks. Can't thank you enough.
That's the what?
Let's fucking clean up and fuck off.
Yeah, well,
Go home and get some sleep. Success.
great job.
Brilliant stuff all around. Goodbye, car. Please be happier now that you're being saved. See ya.